Everyone thinks the best-selling snow chains for 4x4 trucks are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ROP Shop Link Tire Chains. The ROP Shop offers a pair of Link tire chains for just $61.99. What caught my attention is that they're labeled as a bestseller, which usually means they're doing something right. If you want reliable traction for your ATV or UTV in snow and mud, this is worth a serious look. They feature 0.157-inch outside links and 0.178-inch cross links, giving you the grip needed for slippery conditions. With over 710 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, many users praise their effectiveness on turf tires, which is crucial if you're worried about damaging your grass while navigating through snow. Now, some people complained about them being a bit tricky to install at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the reliability and performance make it worth the initial hassle. If you're not planning to use them often, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own a lawn tractor or ATV that needs reliable traction in winter. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for heavy-duty trucks, as these are more suited for lighter vehicles. For the price, they deliver solid value. Now, if that installation challenge bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SCC Peerless Auto Track Chains. Next up, we have the SCC Peerless Auto Track Chains at $82.87. They caught my eye because of their self-tightening ratchets, which are a game changer for ease of use. If you want hassle-free installation and superior traction, this is definitely worth a look. These chains are specifically designed for light trucks and SUVs, featuring a diamond pattern cross chain that provides a smoother ride while enhancing grip. You can easily install and remove them in minutes, and they automatically center themselves, which is fantastic for those who might struggle with traditional chains. Over 3,900 reviewers rate them 4.3 stars, indicating they're reliable in snowy conditions. However, there's a catch. You should not exceed 30 mph while using these chains. Some users found this speed limit frustrating, especially on highways. But honestly, this is a common safety precaution with tire chains, so it's something to keep in mind rather than a major flaw. This is great for you if you want quick and easy installation on your light truck or SUV. Skip this if you're looking for something that can handle extreme off-road conditions, as these are more suited for on-road use. For the price, they offer solid performance without the usual installation headaches. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want quick installation. Product number 3, AUVEBY Quick Fit Chains. Now let's talk about the AUVEBY Quick Fit Chains for $109.99. The 1-minute installation caught my attention right away. If you're looking for something that simplifies your experience without compromising on safety, this one is worth considering. These chains are made from alloy manganese steel, promising durability and exceptional traction in snow, ice, and mud. They fit a wide range of tires, and the auto-fixing device means you simply click and go, eliminating the need for a rubber tightener. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 385 reviews, users highlight the ease of cleaning and storing these chains after use, which is a huge plus for busy folks. On the downside, a few users mentioned that they felt less secure than traditional chains during extreme conditions. Here's the thing, for most casual drivers facing mild to moderate winter weather, they perform admirably. If you're an off-road enthusiast, you might want something heavier duty. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and hassle-free setup for your light truck or SUV. Skip this if you're driving through the most extreme winter conditions. Overall, they offer a good balance between convenience and safety. Now, if you're still looking for something even tougher, the next product might interest you. Product number 4, AUVEBY Heavy Duty Chains. Next on the list are the AUVEBY Heavy Duty Snow Chains priced at $159.99. These are built tough, aimed at pickup trucks and off-road SUVs, and that really piqued my interest. If you need unmatched performance during your winter expeditions, this is definitely worth a look. This means you get exceptional traction on snow and ice, making them ideal for serious off-road conditions. Plus, the 1-minute installation feature is a lifesaver for those in a rush. They also come with a handy storage box to keep everything organized. With a 4.5-star rating from 240 reviews, they've earned a solid reputation among users looking for performance. But honestly, if you're driving a heavy-duty truck or SUV, that weight shouldn't be a significant issue. This is great for you if you're frequently off-roading in harsh winter conditions. Skip this if you drive a smaller vehicle, as they're designed for more substantial tires. Considering the features, they offer great value for serious winter adventurers. Finally, if you want something that's meant for lighter duties, the last product on my list is perfect for you. Product number 5, SCC MaxTrack Heavy Duty Chains. Lastly, we have the SCC MaxTrack Heavy Duty Chains for $46.72. What caught my eye is their budget-friendly price while still providing decent traction for snow blowers and garden tractors. If you're looking for something economical yet effective, this might be the one for you. These chains have a 2-link spacing that enhances grip in snow, ice, and mud, making them a solid choice for lighter vehicles. They're zinc-plated for extra durability, ensuring they can withstand the wear and tear of winter. With 1,400 reviews averaging 4.2 stars, users appreciate their reliability for garden tractors and smaller vehicles. The downside, they don't come with a chain tightener, which some users found inconvenient. However, you can easily purchase a compatible tensioner separately. It's a minor issue if you're already on a budget and just want something functional. This is perfect for you if you need chains for smaller vehicles like snow blowers or garden tractors. Skip this if you're looking for heavy-duty chains for trucks or SUVs, as they simply aren't built for that. For the price, they deliver solid performance without breaking the bank. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the budget-friendly SCC MaxTrack chains, the tougher AUVEBY heavy-duty chains, the quick-install AUVEBY options, the user-friendly SCC Peerless Auto Track chains, and the ROP Shop Link Tire chains. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but it really comes down to what you need for your 4x4 truck this winter. Choose wisely and stay safe out there.